Bugatti delivers the first of 10 Coachbuilt Centodieci units. The first unit is finished in EB110 Blue, a distinctive color synonymous with Bugatti, the EB110 and even the factory that it was constructed in. The Campogalliano facility where the EB110 was built would become known as the Fabbrica Blu, or Blue Factory, adorned with Bugatti's famous paint. The EB110 itself was first revealed to the world's media wearing the vibrant shade of blue. The classic combination of EB110 Blue and EB110 Sport Silver for the Centodieci's wheels is no coincidence. The owner of this first unit also owns an EB110 GT finished in the same iconic colors. The interior again draws inspiration from its prestigious forebear, but reinvigorated for the modern era of coach-built hyper-sports cars. The quilted chessboard-like pattern found on the seats, roof liner, door panels, center console and floor mats was first established in the EB110 but elevated here with a bespoke application. Despite the many curves and joins, the pattern seamlessly lines up across areas of the interior. The process of creating the Centodieci interior takes around 16 weeks to complete, including one day dedicated solely to meticulously examining the seats. Featuring the iconic 8.0-liter W16 engine producing 1600 PS, the Centodieci accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.4 seconds to a top speed of 380 km per hour. Bugatti's chassis engineers worked extensively to perfect the hypersports car's handling to produce a unique dynamic Bugatti experience behind the wheel. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and thank you for watching.